you ready for our next activity? I wonder, did you finish doing your world where we live? And are you ready? I've got mine ready to hang up for later. And it can spin round just like the world spins round. Well, I thought perhaps we could think about doing a poster. That's always quite good to have a poster which tells you how you can look after the world. Well, Mother Earth is beautiful and we've got to take care of it. I'm sure that you can think of lots and lots of different ways. Maybe you can talk about how you would look after your world with your adult. I've had a little think here, and then I'm going to do a poster, and I've written in big writing there, look after our world. And then I've got some messages that I perhaps thought we could think about. Things like put your rubbish in the bin. Don't keep saying don't do this and don't do that. Think of it, what we can do. So put your rubbish in the bin. Pick it up off the floor. Good idea. Can you go and find some rubbish off your floor right now? Or something on your toy room carpet? I can, but I'm not going to look now. You might think about when you're going to school, walk to school if you can, rather than go in the car, because it's much better exercise for you as well as for the environment. You might want to say, turn off your lights when you're not using them. Make sure you're not using them, and don't turn them off when somebody's in there and it's dark and they can't see. Or you might want to say, reuse. Just like JJ said, don't throw the bus away, reuse it. I thought about our world and how it's a blue planet, very blue planet, with the green land, and I thought perhaps we could have a go at making a little world to go onto our poster. So I've got a blue circle. This is sticky back actually, so I can give it a good lick in a minute. And then I found some green sticky back. There's my sticky back. Now it doesn't have to be, you can have sticky back or you can just have green paper. The world is round, so I've cut a round shape, nice and round, and I'm going to stick it on my paper. But when I want the earth and the continents, they don't have to be straight. In fact, I don't want straight lines, so I rip them into little shapes. I'm going to stick them onto my world, and I'm going to make the continents, and I'm going to make the earth. I can stick it now. I hope it does stick. I'm going to have to hold it down, stick it in place, push it down, and that is going to make my poster look nice and bright, right in the middle. So you want to go and have a look at the world, and then I'm going to use my colours later. So if you tell your adult what you want to write, you might want to write some things or draw some things at the bottom. Perhaps you could find little bits of rubbish, little bits of paper to put at the bottom there. Perhaps you could draw a little paper bin and put them in too. And that will be your poster telling people to look after our world. Look after Mother Earth because she's beautiful. Let's keep her beautiful. I'll go. I'd love to see what you do.